Story time!
In the heart of the green labyrinth, a curious creature paused. Nature's canvas unveiled secrets carved in bark. Whispers danced among the swaying branches. High above, a sage observer took note. Sharp eyes gleamed, recognizing a spark of curiosity. What lay beneath the surface intrigued him deeply. The enigma beckoned, a riddle cloaked in silence. Patterns unfolded like forgotten memories, enticing the brave-hearted to unravel them. Around the ancient guardian, a crowd gathered. Hope mingled with doubt. Together, they bore witness to the unfolding tale of challenge and potential. The determined figure squinted in focus, lines blurred into patterns, whispers built in intensity. Each mark held the key to the secrets within. Darkness seeped into the light. The cryptic carvings shifted, taunting with complexity. Frustration bubbled, yet resolve anchored the inquisitive spirit. A spark ignited within the depths of thought. Clarity erupted, and the murmurs of wisdom sang. It was time to unlock the treasure hidden within. With a gentle push, the chest surrendered its secrets. The prize lay within. It shimmered with potential, echoing tales of old. Celebration erupted like spring blossoms. Wisdom had blossomed, and joy wove through the gathering. Together, they embraced the journey that led to discovery. As the day waned, a quiet harmony enveloped the trees. In every heart echoed the truth. The adventure had awakened a treasure unlike any other. A fresh dawn broke across the woods, illuminating the pages of knowledge. Each word whispered secrets, binding the land in unity and understanding. The journey was etched in time. Every creature danced to a new rhythm, forever attuned to the lessons of discovery and the power of perseverance.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.